Tired of wrestling with your roasting rack every holiday? Imagine moving a 25-pound turkey from pan to platter with zero hassle, no awkward lifting, and a cleanup that's done in minutes. The Cuisipro removable roasting rack fits perfectly in a 16 by 13 roasting pan and is designed to make your cooking experience smoother from start to finish. What sets this rack apart? It's all about the details. The sturdy handles let you transport your roast or bird in one smooth motion. No more fumbling or risking a spill. And when it's time to remove the meat, the clever removable pin lets the rack disassemble from the bottom, so you don't have to lift the entire bird off the rack. This feature alone transforms a tricky step into a simple slide out, saving you time and frustration. Plus, the non-stick surface ensures your roast won't cling, making cleanup quick and easy. Hand washing is recommended to keep it in top shape, and the rack folds neatly for compact storage. I remember the last Thanksgiving when the only turkeys available were over 20 pounds. Moving that hefty bird without a proper rack felt daunting, until I tried this one. It held the turkey securely, and those convenient handles made transferring it to the serving tray effortless. The removable pin design was a revelation. Pulling it out allowed me to separate the rack sides without any struggle. The turkey stayed intact, no sticking, no mess. Cleaning up afterward was just as simple, thanks to the non-stick coating. Storing it inside my roasting pan keeps my kitchen clutter-free, even though it doesn't fold completely flat. If you're someone who values cooking tools that combine smart design with reliable performance, this roasting rack is worth a look. It's been recommended by Cooks Illustrated for a reason. It truly changes how you handle roasting. Whether you're tackling a big holiday bird or a weekend roast, this rack offers what you need: stability, ease of use, and quick cleanup. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your kitchen routine and enjoy roasting without the usual hassle.